What's going on, guys? Time to do some E30 AC work today. And the AC wasn't working on the E30 when I drove it last, and that's because the blower motor was just done. Like, I turned it on, it made a little sound. You knew that motor is done. So what do? You go out and you order a new one. Obviously, this is just the plastic to protect it, but just gotta take out those two bolts in there. You can probably see those silver shiny bolts. And yeah, got ourselves a new blower motor. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace this blower motor in the car. And fingers crossed, I mean, it should run the AC. Everything else is connected proper and ready to go. So yeah, let's get into this. Whew, don't that look good? Alright guys, so in order to change the blower, basically there is I believe this is an 8mm. No, it's not. It's a 6mm. There's one bolt there. Got to take off these two screws here. Then there's another one there. And then there is another one over there. Another one there. And then there should be one on the bottom, yeah. So there's another one down there. And on the other side, there is one more underneath here. So that's a total of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 bolts we gotta take off. So let me pop those off, show you guys what it looks like back there. Alright guys, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts. 4 bolts here. And just take off those 2 screws and take off the mount that was here. And boom. You could tell the original blower was in here because this was never even cut to take this bracket out. So just snip that. Snip that. Whew. Just disconnect the battery and then get in there. But you guys can see this motor. This motor is it's pretty old. I'm sure it's the original motor from day one. Gotta clean all this debris out of here as well. We're gonna go disconnect the battery and move on. All right. You guys can see this motor was busted. It's been finished. And that's why we're changing it, putting a new one. Also, if you're like me, you got all that crud in there, you need to clean all that out before actually putting anything back in here. Let's get the shop back and vacuum out all that debris. Side by side comparisons, you guys can see, you know, the new one fresh, complete. The old one, it has broken fins. It yeah, it looked like it's been through. It looked like it's lived in the car since 1991, pretty much. So we're gonna get this new one in after I just vacuum out that whole area. Alright guys, black on the passenger side, this clear side on the driver's side. All right, that looks good. Strap this bad boy down. All right, guys, so now it's on, it's all connected. I'm gonna go inside, put the battery back on, and then see, you know, make sure this is working properly. All right, guys, last night my phone died on me before I could finish the video, but you know, I did reverse all the steps of taking the blower motor out. This is the old blower motor here. The new one is in, it is working. So let's just go check it out. Make sure, you know, everything checks out good. I should probably get the key, right? Let me just put the battery on. Judging by the dust that just flew out of here, you could see that the blower motor is on. You could actually hear it. Let me close the door. You can hear it now, and it is getting cooler. It's this control the speed. Temp down, AC. So yeah, you know, just give it a few. It's getting cooler in here. So, you know, successful job. The E30 got AC now. Alright guys, so I mean that's it. E30. The blower motor was replaced. It's all working. We got AC. It's about 80. Today's 86 degrees. So, you know, about to take it on a cruise and, yeah, you know, enjoy some of that cool air and just enjoy a little bit of this car as well, because I don't really drive it much at all. So I'm going to go stretch his legs. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Catch you next time. Peace.